welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making banana muffin. So I have my banana here. You can have them riper than this, but this works for me. All right, so I'm gonna add my banana in a baking tin because I need to put them in the oven for 10 minutes at 350 first. So I'm just gonna place them in my baking tin. So I'm using 3 bananas to make this recipe, guys. And we're gonna place them in the oven at 350, all right, for 10 minutes. So now I'm gonna add my dry ingredients, guys. So I have a cup and a half of all-purpose flour. So we're gonna add that. And we're gonna use 1 teaspoon of salt. One teaspoon of salt. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We're also gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This is very quick and simple to make, guys, and it's really delicious. If you love banana, this is really amazing. And I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You can also add mixed spice, guys, if you want. And not the cinnamon powder, but I love to have the cinnamon powder, okay? And I'm gonna sieve that. Okay, guys, now that my banana is out of the oven, I'm just gonna cut it like that and place it into another bowl, into a bowl. So this is beautiful. So this is how you want them, guys. Very nice. Beautiful. Okay, guys, so I have my nails on. I'm making this for me and my family, and I wash my hands. Nails are clean. So I'm just making this for me and my family just to make that clear out there. All right. Okay, so I have all my bananas here. I'm just gonna crush them. Beautiful like that. So I just want to crush them out. This is really good, guys, for a nice little snack. It's really good. You can have this for your breakfast. So this is it. That's good, and I'm gonna put this aside. Now I have 2 eggs here. Make sure they're not cold, so you're gonna remove them from the fridge and let them be lukewarm first. So just have an eye. Just gonna remove that from the egg. So now I'm gonna use a lemon. I'm just gonna get some zest from it, lemon zest. Not a lot, you just wanna cut a little rawness from the egg. You can use a lime too, or some lime juice if you have that. That works. Because you don't want it to be raw. So that's good. And then just use your fork and just mix it out like that. Okay, nice. So I'm gonna set that aside. I'm gonna get some unsalted melted butter. So I'm using some unsalted melted butter. So just pour that in there. Like that. You can use a spoon at this time, or your fork. I'm gonna remove this, or your whisk, whichever one you have. But to crush the banana, you can also use your fork. I'm gonna add my egg in there. This is a very nice snack you can make for your kids or for you. This is really delicious. I just want to give it a nice little whip, like that. Then I have some granulated sugar, 3/4 cup sugar. And you're gonna add it. You can also use your brown sugar if you want. Or if you want to use less sugar, you can. Okay, so we just whisk it, and now we're gonna add some vanilla to this. So we just use 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're also going to use 1 teaspoon of almond essence. I really love to use almond essence. This is optional, guys. You don't have to use this, but I really love it in it. Just going to give that a mix. So I'm going to mix this well. It's really good. It smells really lovely, guys. I wish you could be here to smell this. I said that a lot. But of course, if you make it, you'll be able to smell it. I'm just going to use 2 tablespoons of milk. 2 tablespoons of fresh milk. Any old milk that you want to use. In it. I love to add milk to it because it gives it a nice flavor, guys. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. So the milk is optional, but it's really, really delicious with the milk. So you should try it like that. But if you don't want to add milk, you don't have to. Oh, this smells so good. So now I'm gonna add my flour in. I'm gonna add my dry ingredients in, guys. And I'm gonna add it little by little, like that. And we're gonna bake this at 350 for 15 minutes. And you just give it a mix until the flour is dissolved. So we're gonna add this into the muffin tin. So this is what you want your texture to look like. Very nice. So just move that aside. And then we're just gonna add them. This is so delicious, guys. You should try it. It's really tasty. So we're just gonna add it in. So we're not gonna fill it all the way to the top. And I'm gonna add some walnuts on them. You don't have to. On some of them, you can add any nuts that you like. So now I'm gonna put some walnuts on some of them on top of it. So at this point you put your nuts. If you want to add nuts, you don't have to. So at this point you can add your nuts. So I'm just gonna do a few of them. Just a few. And we're gonna put it in the oven for 15 minutes at 350. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys. So I'll be back to show you the finishing touch. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna take one. I'm gonna try it. It's a bit warm, should be completely cool, but I want to try one right now. I'm gonna try one right now, so I'm gonna do that. It's a bit hot, guys. I just want to try one. Oh, look how soft and mushy this is. Look at that, guys. Look at that. You can see the steam coming from it because it's still hot. Look at that. Look how nice this is. See? Beautiful. So I'm going to try it. This is delicious. Tastes really good. You all need to try this recipe at home. It's amazing. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Sorry for my voice is a little gone. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.